Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know or view laptop model name in Windows 10 using command prompt. For this, click on this one start button and type here CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry, select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Now you need to copy and paste this one command wmic a space cs product a space get a space name. This command you can find in this video description. Also copy and paste this one command and press enter on the keyboard, and you can see your laptop model number in the output. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.